Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video, I will show you how to change size on Shein after you made an order already. Now, there are a lot of different ways how you can go about it. Now the best way would be to basically go and contact support, but you need to know a couple of things. Now, as you can see right here, by contacting Shein customer service, you can ask them to review your order and change the size of one of your garments. They can even change the color if the garment has a different color option, but they cannot change one garment for another. So it's important to have all the information you need to talk to the agent handling your complaint, and then order number, item link, and what size you want. You need to have all of this in order to contact Shein customer service. So how can you do this? Basically, what you want to do is you want to go to Shein customer support. Now from here, as you can see, you have you can go basically to other issues, or you can go to the delivery. So before the delivery or other issues, I think that would be pretty much the best thing you can do. And then you can also go here and click on customer service, and this will land right here. You will need to log in. You will need to obviously register if you don't already have a Shein account, but probably if you're making a refund you will have one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, you also have free returns within 35 days, so that's also a really great bonus. But that's basically how you'll be able to change the size before your order is shipped or after you made an order. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.